welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Today we're going to be reviewing a new wig that I just got from CurlyMe Hair Company. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited to show you guys like this new wig. She is so cute. These curls are gorgeous. I just love the way that this wig came out, and the fact that it's a closure wig is like wild to me, because in the years that I have done like hair tutorials and like wig installs, I've never done like a closure wig before. This is my first time wearing a closure wig, and I'm like pleasantly surprised about how it came out. I love it. It's so cute. This is one of their Wear Go wigs, so if you're a beginner to wig installs, you definitely want to check this wig out. It's going to be super beginner friendly. I'm going to show you guys how I installed it and just how easy it is to install. This is definitely a wig that's going to go in my everyday wig stash. You know, that little stash of wigs that you got that you know like you could pull it out and throw it on, and if you know for a fact it's going to look good. This is one of those wigs. But yeah, if you want more details about this gorgeous hair right here, just make sure to go ahead and keep on watching. So let's get into this wig, shall we? I've got my wig cap on already, so we're like ready to go. This is supposed to be like a wear and go type of wig, so it's already comes pre-plucked, pre-cut and everything. I didn't do any type of plucking to this hairline. It looks amazing. I did bleach the knots on this wig because the knots weren't bleached on it, but the knots are also extremely small. But yeah, this wig is basically like just ready to be installed. It does have a 4x6 lace closure, so this is going to be the parting space here. You do still get like plenty of space to create like a part in the center. It does also come with a removable elastic band. I'm going to go ahead and attach this on the inside because I'm definitely going to want to make sure that this thing is like secure. This also is a glueless wig, so you don't need like any type of lace glue at all, like if you want to go glueless with it. I think that's pretty much all of the other information for this unit I'm going to go ahead and leave down below in the description box. Even though this wig is pre-cut, I am ready to adjust the lace if needed, because I just got a weird hairline. I feel like my hairline is just so weird. It's like all ovally over here, and then it's like my my edges over here kind of like dip in a little bit further into my forehead, and then like it comes back out like over here, and it's just a lot. Anytime I like put on any type of like lace frontal wig, I'm always like ready to adjust the hairline to better fit mine, because if I don't, then it looks like I have like a smaller forehead than I naturally have. My forehead could just look real crazy. So yes, I'm ready to adjust this lace if I need to, but for the most part you should be able to just like throw on this wig and go and not have to like do any type of adjusting. My strap came off. Hold on a second, let me reattach this baby because we're gonna need her. Okay, let's try that again. Let's do this. Why am I failing at this? This is so weird. What's happening? Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. For some reason, the removable strap keeps like unhooking off of the wig. There we go. I'm just gonna adjust. Okay. Okay, I might actually not have to do like any type of adjusting to this. Okay, maybe a little bit. You see how weird my hairline is? Like, it just makes my hairline look square. That looks really good. Like, I feel like you could definitely, like, if your hairline is like right in line with this wig, you could definitely just like throw this baby on and like do your edges and call it a day. She looks really good, guys. She looks really good, and I haven't even said anything yet. I just put her on. But yeah, she looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and just like start styling her up, because this is looking really good so far. I think what I want to do first is just kind of like customize this hairline a tad. I always need to like cut up here because I have like more of like an oval shape up here. Like my hairline just comes up a little bit further than this wig. I do love the fact that this already comes like pre-plucked and like pre-cut, because like even though I have to kind of customize it for my hairline, this is gonna work perfectly for someone that is like looking for a wig that you can just put on and go. Like look how flawlessly that just like blends in. This is a glueless wig, so you don't need to use like lace adhesive at all. Like you can literally just throw this wig on and call it a day. But my biggest fear in life is like going out and like my wig just like totally flying off my head while I'm in public. So I always like to go in with a little bit of lace adhesive just because I'm like paranoid like that. It's funny because there's this like viral clip of this girl, I think she's doing like an interview or something like that. All she's doing is sitting down like talking, and her wig just like totally just like falls off of her head.
But your life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bruh.
Nah, bro, I can't do it. Like I need a little bit of lace adhesive because God forbid, but you can definitely wear this wig glueless like if you want to. Like it's definitely set up to be worn that way, but I need a little bit of lace adhesive, just a little bit. So we're gonna pull this baby back and I'm gonna go into my oven and just like spray right along the hairline there. And I'm just gonna readjust the hairline to go right over. And now that wig isn't going anywhere. She's on, look at that. So I'm probably gonna cut like right about there. I feel like that would be like perfect. I'm just gonna go in with my scissors and just doing like little cuts. Since I cut away the extra lace, I am gonna have to do just like a little bit of plucking here. So I'm just gonna customize that. Now we are talking. Look how much better that looks. Oof, she looks good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've always been like a frontal person. Like I love like a good frontal, but working with this closure wig, I'm low-key like, do I need to switch over to closure wigs? Because that literally only took me like maybe 10-15 minutes to like customize, versus like with the frontal I could be sitting working with the frontal like customizing the hairline for a good like 45 minutes because I'm a perfectionist, and then I have like my funky hairline and then I have to like pluck and bleach and like cut everything, like trim it down, like the lace and everything. So I could literally be sitting here for like a good 30 to 45 minutes just making sure everything looks perfect. Seriously considering like the closure life, because that was so much easier than a frontal. But yeah, she looks really good. Like the hairline looks really good. I'm low-key like, I don't even know if I want to do edges anymore now that it's like, you know, the hairline is sitting. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and like style, like get kind of define the curls, and then we can decide later if we want to do edges or not. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of water here and just kind of spray this hair down. And then to define the curls, I'm using the Garnier Fructis Curl Air Dry Cream. I've been trying not to go in with like too much product these days on my curls. Like I've been loving like a much fluffier, like more like natural look when it comes to like my hair when I do have like a curly unit on. Ugh, I love Garnier products. They all smell so good. Gorge. Yeah, I'm in love. These curls are beautiful. I love the way that this install is turning out. Like so far, everything looks so beautiful. These girls look so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna let this hair dry. By the time I'm like done with my makeup and everything like that, I feel like it should be like completely dry because I didn't like drench the hair in water. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of hairspray from 𝐀𝐿 and just kind of spray down that part there. And then I just like to go in with my hot comb, just very gently, just kind of press down that part. Usually I do this before I go in with like my curl defining products, but I don't know, I'm just moving like real crazy today. So, and I like to kind of like just push this part back when I'm just kind of like perfecting everything, because I'm a Capricorn and I think I do want to go in with just like a little bit of edges, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go in with my 𝐁𝐿 Ultra Glued Hair Gel and my little edge brush and just do like a little swoop in the center. This is what the hair is giving. She looks so good. I love this curl pattern. You guys already know how much I love curly hair. It's just like my go-to. Curly hair for me is just like so much easier to maintain throughout the day. I don't have to worry about like my curls falling or it looking frizzy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some makeup now. I'm just gonna do like my everyday like makeup routine. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. Look at these curls. Oh my goodness. I'm in a mood right now. You know, the hair came out super cute, the makeup is popping, the nails are long. It's vibes today. I love the fact that I feel cute in like a center part today. Like I usually don't. It's usually like side part all day, but today I feel very cute in my little center part. Anyways, this is the finished look. Now that the hair is air dried, you guys can really see like how full and fluffy this hair is. It's so beautiful. I just know too, like the next time that I wear this wig, it's gonna like take no time at all to install. Even if you're like me and you have to kind of like customize it a little bit, the next time that you put it on, it's gonna be like super quick because everything is like already perfectly aligned to your hairline. With the lace frontal, like a 13x4 or a 13x6, you're working with so much more lace. So having to lay it all down, make sure the sideburns are good, make sure the edges are good. You're just naturally gonna spend a lot more time with like a frontal wig. So having like a nice little closure units like on standby for those days when you need something like super quick, I feel like this is a perfect wig to go to if you're in need of that. Anyways, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's review. Again, if you have any questions about the unit that I'm wearing, definitely make sure to check the description box. I'm gonna have all of the information for this unit there, as well as a link to the exact wig that I'm wearing. Definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'm so excited about the next one that I'm going to be recording because if you don't know, the new Barbie movie is coming out soon and I'm going to be doing an inspired look. I'm going to do like a whole like pink Barbie inspired look and I'm very excited about it. So make sure you just subscribe to the channel, that way you get notifications on all the new content that I'm going to be putting out. But yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Sending lots of love to you all and hopefully I will see you in the next one.